Welcome to Spike Shack. This is the EVP Spike Sensor. So this sensor basically detects sound and sound levels. It does have a built-in battery, and it comes with this USB-C cable to charge it. So you've got a port on the side where that plugs in, and you've got a dial, which is the on switch, and also the further you turn it, it changes the sensitivity level. So basically when it picks up sound, it starts this side and goes anti-clockwise. So the louder, if it's a quiet sound, it doesn't come up far. If it's a loud sound, it goes all the way to top and back round. And wherever it stops, so just say it stops here and this is all lit, after a second or two and it goes off, that one light will stay lit for about 30 seconds. Just so if you wasn't looking at the exact time it went off, you've got another 30 seconds to catch that. But this is ideal for if you're doing an EVP session. You can set your EVP recorder down, set this going, start the EVP recorder going, film it, and obviously you're going to see this going up as you're talking, asking the questions. But when you're silent, waiting for a response on the EVP recorder, this should not be moving. But if you start seeing spikes on this, but you're not hearing it with your ears, but when you play your EVP recorder back, that's picked up a voice. It further backs up the EVP that you've got. So it is a very handy piece of equipment. So I'll turn this on. So if I talk quietly, it goes about quarter way up. But if I talk louder, it obviously sets it off more. And obviously things like a click will be louder still. And you can see that the highest it got to was there, and that light is staying lit for about 30 seconds. So not only is it still showing you more that's coming in, it also shows you the highest one we got to as well. Yeah, the 10 seconds or so, and that will go out, and that basically resets, and then the next highest it gets to, that light will stay lit. So it is a really good and unique piece of equipment. So if you're looking for something new and you've got all the basics, it's a good piece of kit to choose. So I'll leave a link to this in the video description, and thanks for watching.